All right, so as we tick-tock the morning away, that spectacular shot with just a few clouds overhead, that will give way to more sun. But farther to the west, we are dealing with some showers. Partly cloudy and 52 in the city, winds out of the north at 3 miles an hour. So here we go. The day underway, morning hiccup, and then the 60s are back with sunshine too. Cool and wet for the weekend. I know, what a drag, just in time for the weekend. So it has been dry, so that doesn't help. And the tree pollen is way up there. That's what's driving you crazy. So remember, itchy eyes, the sneezing in the throat, that's allergies. Again, the COVID symptoms, loss of taste and smell and fever. Remember, don't get those confused and make sure you're ready for that high pollen count today. So numbers around the area, we've got the mid-30s through Sullivan, Ulster, over into Dutchess and Connecticut as well. Orient Point's at 36. We've got cool readings for the Jersey Shore, but we are going to see some nice numbers later. 52 in New York. Just want to show you numbers around the area. West of the city, there's warm air on the move again. So we have warm air available. You expand that. In the country, the day-to-day change brings in this cold air in the plains, and that's where we're going to be dealing with the risk of severe weather today. Through the Ohio Valley, it's quiet, better for if you're traveling into Chicago or Detroit today, but these little light showers are traveling through the area, again, moving from north to south. This is light rain, doesn't have much of an impact on Morris County, Passaic, Bergen, Hudson Union, but to the west, you are going to see a few showers. They mix away. The European model, we're going to follow that system coming in. It's lagging behind as far as dealing with the showers. We're in great shape this afternoon through Thursday. Friday afternoon, chance of a shower, but then Saturday is actually shaping up a bit. But watch what happens on Sunday. Yeah, the rain kind of sets in and sticks around through the day. So remember, as you make your plans, better bet for wet weather on Sunday, and in concert with the gray skies and those showers, you're going to see cooler readings as well. Things improve for your Monday into Tuesday. Sorry about that, but just make sure you're factoring that into your plans. Right now, though, right back to the desk.
Nice stretch until then, though. So, John, thank you.